Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another reading video, LanguageCert Achiever B1 for Secure English Language Test. This video could be extremely useful for candidates who want to secure 4 bands in general training IELTS reading. I know many of you do not like to read, so I'm here for you. We're going to make it simpler, and I will try to solve each question type with you. Let's start. As I always tell, there are 4 steps. Let's follow step number 1. A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. This is the title. And I always say step number 2, look at any photos if you have on your passage or your paragraph. We have these 2 tickets in here. Probably. Now, step number 3, read the questions, prices, dates, ages. Step 4, now scan your answer. A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. Performances daily 1 to 24th December. Buy tickets at the theater box office. Reduced blank. Reduced means lower. Lower. Reduced, lesson, L-E-S-S-E-N, lesson prices for children, or lesson dates for children, or lesson ages for children. You guys are pretty smart. You are smart with money. So you know reduced prices for children, pensioners, and students in full-time education. Is that right? Yes, you got it right. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to let me know what else do you want to learn. I'm here for you.